I'm in an Audi TTS Roadster and next to me is an original Audi R8 V8 from 2008. And we're going to have a drag race because this car costs £45,000 new, whereas that car there, you can pick one up now for about £45,000, even though it was about 95 grand back in the day. Now this car, it has a 2-litre turbocharged engine with 306 horsepower, 400 newton meters. I've got a dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. That has a naturally aspirated 4.2 litre V8 with 424 horsepower, 430 newton meters of torque, and it's a 6-speed manual. I want you to vote which you think is going to win. Click on the pop-out banner in the top right corner of the screen to cast your vote. Now before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also follow us on Instagram at carwow. Let's do this. Yes! Close on the line. He did a good start, but now I'm off. I thought it'd be the other way around, that I'd beat him off the line and then he'd pull back on me. But not so. In fact, I'm increasing my lead. So if you want straight line performance and you've got £45,000, get this. Did you guess correctly what would win? I didn't, I thought that would. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Audi TTS Roadster did the standing quarter mile in 12.7 seconds. Whereas the Audi R8 4.2 manual did it in 13 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. I'm locked in third in auto, he's obviously in manual. So 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, a bit of turbo lag, then I'm off. Now this car actually automatically changes up in manual, which I hate. That's ahead, and it's kind of increasing the lead now. I don't understand what happened in the drag race, that's odd. That's enough. I think once you get ahead, you're ahead because they're so closely matched. So that's one each. Okay, then time for the decider. Brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. These cars weigh the same. They're both 1,600 kilos. Here we go. Tense. Oh, that is super close. Yeah, once I'm at the car, it's quite clear the R8 won by about a metre or so. Damn it! Oh. So there you have it, 2-1 to the old R8. So then, which would you pick? Click on the pop-out banner up there to vote which you'd rather have, this car for 45 grand or that car for 45 grand. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big like. Also, comment in the box below other videos you'd like to see from us, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Back in the day, and do it again, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna have to get out to check this one. It is super close though. Oh, I've got to take my mic with me. Oh God, I'm all tangled. Right.